It's important for us to know where the products we consume come from, to know that it's sustainably sourced, to know that the product that we're consuming is not at the disadvantage of others.
It's a moral imperative to support farmers from the continent, from the African continent. And by doing so, we ensure that we trade directly with them, which gives them much more earnings than they would if they were to trade through many middlemen, as it is the case in most other countries.
What I love about chocolate is how it connects people. So from our farmers, connecting them to us, to our chocolate makers, to our chocolatiers, seeing the smiles on people's faces when they come into our store to buy chocolate. Chocolate is shared at birthdays, at Easter, at Christmas, at any big holiday, and it's truly loved by everybody in the world.
Afrikoa is a luxury African chocolate product that trades directly with African farmers from Tanzania. And the reason being that we at Afrikoa want to show the world that product coming from Africa, especially chocolate, can be as good and as delicious as the global known biggest chocolate brands.
Chocolate starts with the bean, as we all know. It goes through about 12 steps before we actually get chocolate as we know it today and as we enjoy to eat it. Our chocolate makers at the factory are responsible for making this chocolate for us. Once it comes to our store, we then get to create all the handcrafted products that you enjoy here. So we will take the chocolate, we will melt it down, temper it, and then create a range of different products, from truffles to bonbons, hand cuts, nougats, brownies, and anything else you can think of that's made beautifully with chocolate.
Community is what makes us as a people. We are unable to do anything without community. And the values of Africa are exactly those that it takes truly a village. And what we're hoping is to raise consciousness to what it really truly takes to have something valuable on the table. Chocolate makes me feel happy, joyful, and alive.
I always like to say that if I meet somebody that says that they don't like chocolate, I just tell them that they haven't found the right chocolate yet, because I believe chocolate has a spot in everybody's life.
Chocolate makes me feel happy. It makes me feel warm on the inside. Chocolate is like the food version of a hug.